children, welcome to Maths class. Hope all are doing well. Today we are going to continue with chapter 4 simple equations. So we have already started chapter 4. We have seen the introduction part. So what are the things can you recall children? We have learned about equation, expressions, and you know to identify the expression and equation. Then we have seen what is variable, what is constant in an equation, and you know to solve an equation, and also you know to find the solution of equation. So these are some of the basic things we have learned in the last session. So today we are going to continue with chapter 4. So now let's begin the session. So the first question, give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equations. That means you want to solve the equation and you want to find the value for the variables or the value for the unknown. The first question is 3n minus 2 equal to 46. 3n minus 2 equal to 46. So before solving the equation, in this can you identify the constant terms? So what are the constant terms? You can see here minus 2 is a constant, 46 is a constant. So what is a variable here in this equation? N. What is a variable? N. And what is the coefficient of n? 3. 3 is the coefficient of n. So it's a positive plus 3. If it is a minus 3 means you want to write. If I'm asking write the coefficient for n means you want to write that. If it's a minus 3 means you want to write with the sign. So here it is plus 3, so we can simply write 3. The coefficient of n is 3. So this is how you want to identify the constants and variables in equation. Okay, I think all these things we have learned in the previous session. So just for recalling, I have asked these questions. So now what you want to do? You want to solve the equation. You want to find the value of n. So now what you are going to do children? You are having 3n minus 2 equal to 46. So here 3n. That's a variable part, right? So here minus 2 and 46. So what you want to do? You want to bring all the constant terms to the one side. It will be easy for you to calculation. You want to bring this minus 2. This is the left hand side, right? This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So now we want to solve the equation. So 3n, okay here, 3n equal to 46. Bring this minus 2 to right hand side. Bring this minus 2 to the right hand side. It becomes plus 2. When you bring this minus 2 to the right hand side, from the left hand side you are changing. You are bringing to right hand side. So this minus 2 becomes plus 2. So 3n equal to 46. Minus 2 when you bring to the right hand side, plus 2. So 46 plus 2, 48. So 3n equal to 48. So how you got 16? You want to do the calculation, right? N is equal to 48. Bring that 3 to the right hand side children. So where you will be writing? 3n means what is the meaning? 3n means what is the meaning? 3 into n. 3n means 3 into n. So when you bring this 3 to this side, we will write in the denominator part. We will write in the denominator part because we have what is the meaning? 3 by 1. If no number in the denominator means 1. So when you bring this term to the right hand side, we will write in the reciprocal method. So 48 48 into 1. 48 into 1, 48, right? By 3. Now 48 divided by 3, cancel it, you will be getting the answer n is equal to 16. Understood? I'll repeat again. So the question is 3n minus 2 equal to 46. So you want to find the value of n. You want to solve this equation and you want to find the value for n. So 3n is equal to, so here minus 2 and 46 are the constant terms. So bring this minus 2 to the right hand side. So it becomes plus 2. Now 42 46 plus 2, you are getting the answer 48. Then 3n equal to 48. Now you want to find the variable, right? You want to find the value for the variable. So n is equal to 48. Bring this 3 to the right hand side. So 3n, right? 3n means 3 into n. So when you bring this 3 to the right hand side, we will write in the reciprocal method. So we will be writing that in the denominator. So 48 divided by 3. Cancel it or divide. Cancelling is easy, right? So cancel it, you will be getting the answer n is equal to 16. So what is the value of n? 16. This is how you will be finding the value for the variables. Okay, now let's see the next problem. 5m plus 7 equal to 17. What you will do, children? 5m equal to 17. Bring this plus 7 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 7. Look here. Solution. 5m is equal to 17 minus 7. This plus 7 you are bringing to the right hand side. That's why minus 7. 17 minus 7, you all know the answer is 10. So 5m equal to 10. Then m is equal to, bring this 5 here, so it comes in the denominator. 5m means 5 into m. So when you bring this 5 to the right hand side, we will write in the reciprocal method, right? So 10 into 1 by 5. So 10 into 1, 10. So you don't want to mention there 1 because now you are studying in higher grades. You don't want to mention that one. 10 divided by 5. M is equal to 10 by 5. Cancel it. M is equal to 2. Very easy, right? Only one thing you want to keep in mind, when you bring from the left hand side to the right hand side, you should change the sign. If it is a plus means you want to change it to minus. Minus means you want to change it to plus. That's the only thing you want to keep in mind. The next problem, 20p divided by 3 equal to 40. So here you want to find the value for p. So 20p means 20 into p divided by 3 equal to 40. So what you will be doing? You will be bringing 20 by 3 to the right hand side. Solution. So 20p is equal to 40 into 3, or else directly you can write it. P is equal to 40, 20 by 3. When you bring to the right hand side, this 20 by 3, when you bring to the right hand side, we will write in the reciprocal, right? You will write like this, 3 by 20. Then cancel it. This 0 and this 0 get cancelled. We all know 1, 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4, right? So 2. 2 into 3, p is equal to 6. So directly you can write it down. So this is easy, right, children? So within one step you will be getting the answer. Or else you want to do like this. 20p is equal to 40. Bring this 3. This, when you bring this denominator part, when you bring to the right hand side, it comes in the numerator, right? So 20 into 3. Next step, 20p is equal to 40 into 3. You want to multiply and write the answer. So you will be getting the answer 120. Next, p is equal to 120. Then 20, when you bring this 20 to this right hand side, we'll write in the denominator. 120 divided by 20. When you cancel it, you will be getting the answer p is equal to 6. Look at here, you are getting p is equal to 6. Here also p is equal to 6. This is easy step, right? Within one step, you are writing. Directly you are writing. Here step by step. First you are multiplying. Next you are dividing. So I think you can follow this children easy. Within one step you will be getting the answer, right? I have done the two methods. So which is easy for you, we can follow it. So my suggestion is you can just follow the second method. P is equal to 40 into 3 by 20. It's very easy, right? Already you know 20 by 3. When you bring that to the right hand side, we should write in the reciprocal. So 3 comes in the numerator and 20 comes in the denominator. So try to follow like this easy methods you can follow, children. So easily we can find the answer. Okay children, now let's see the next problem. The next exercise 4.4. Let's see the first problem. Set up equations and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. So you want to find the value for the unknown variables. Okay, unknown means variables. You want to find the value for the variables. The first question, usually they will be giving an equation, right? So here they have given the statement. You want to write the equations, then you want to solve it. Understood children? So the previous exercise what you have learned, they'll be giving the equations and you want to find the value for the unknown. So here they have given the statement. You want to write the equations, then you want to solve the equations. So here what is the first question? Add 4 to 8 times a number. You get 60. So I'll repeat. Add 4 to 8 times a number. So 8 times a number means 8 times one number. We don't know that number. So that number we will be taking a variable. It can be x, y or any variable. That is your wish. 8 times a number, you get 60. So you will be getting 60. Answer equal to 60. So add means 4 plus 8 times a number means 8 into a variable. Okay, look at here. Let the number be x. So we are taking that unknown number as x. You can take any variable. So here I have taken x. So 8 times a number means 8 into that number. We don't know that number, but we are taking that number as x. So we will be writing 8x. 8 times a number means 8 into x. Add 4 means plus 4 equal to 60. So you can write 4 plus 8 times a number means 8 into that number. So here that number is x is equal to 60. So when you are writing an equation, always write like this children. So it looks good. So 8x plus 4 equal to 60. Now you know to solve the equation. 8x equal to 60. Bring this plus 4 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 4. So 60 minus 4, 56. So 8x equal to 56. So x is equal to 56. Bring this 8 to the right hand side, we write in the reciprocal. So 56 into 1 by 8. So 8 comes in the denominator. Then cancel it. 7 8s are 56, right? 188, 7 8s are 56. So x is equal to 7. You got the answer. You got the value for the unknown. Understood, children? So add 4 to 8 times a number. So 8 times a number means 8 into one number. We don't know that number, so we can take that number as variable. Then 8x plus 4 equal to 60. You got an equation. Now you know to solve an equation, right? Just solve it. Now let's see the next problem. The next question. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. So you want to write the equation for this statement. 1/5 of a number means 1 by 5 of a number. We do know that number, so take as a variable. So 1 by 5 x or y, whatever it may be, take one variable. 1 by 5 y minus 4 gives 3 means equal to 3. Solution. We are taking that number, unknown number, we are taking here as y. Okay. We are using the variable y. So we can write 1 by 5 of a number. So 1 by 5y minus 4 is equal to 3. You can write like this or you can write this. 1 into y, right? So y by 5 minus 4 equal to 3. This is also correct. Here this I have written directly. Here one more step. 1 by 5y minus 4 equal to 3. So both are correct, children. So 1 into y means y, right? That's why I have written here y by 5. The meaning is 1 you have here. 1 into y means y, right? So y by 5 minus 4 equal to 3. Or 1 by 5y minus 4 equal to 3. Both are correct. So any one we can follow. So y by 5 equal to this minus 4, when you bring to the right hand side it becomes plus 4, right? So 3 plus 4. Y by 5 equal to 7. Now this y is equal to 7. This 5 is in the denominator. When you bring to the right hand side it comes in the numerator. Look at here, y is equal to 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. Y is equal to 35. Understood, children? I'll repeat one more time. 1 by 5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. So 1 by 5, 1 into y. That number unknown, we are taking it as y. So y by 5 minus 4 equal to 3. So bring this constant term to the right hand side. So minus 4 becomes plus 4. Then add it. Y by 5 equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 into 5. Because 5 is in the denominator. When you bring to the right hand side, it comes in the numerator. So 7 5s are 35. So what is the answer? Y is equal to 35. Understood, children? Next problem. Nikisha thinks of a number. If she adds 19 to it and divide the sum by 5, she'll get 8. So Nikisha thinks of a number. We don't know that number. What she is thinking, we don't know, right? So we are going to take that number as a variable. So here we are taking that as m. You can use any variable. So I am taking here m. So if she adds 19 to it, so that number is m. To that number she was adding 19. So m plus 19. And divide the sum by 5. So m plus 19 divide by 5. She'll get 8. So equal to 8. Look at here. Nikisha thinks of a number. That number is m. If she adds 19 to it, so that number plus m plus 19. And divide the sum by 5. So divide by 5 is equal to 8. So now you got an equation. Now can you solve it? M plus 19 equal to 8. Bring this 5 to the right hand side. So it will comes in the numerator, right? So m plus 19 is equal to 8 into 5. 8 5s are 40. So m plus 19 equal to 40. Now bring this 19 to the right hand side, children. So 40 minus 19 plus 19 becomes minus 19. So 40 minus 19, you are getting the answer 24. 21, you are getting the answer 21. So m is equal to 21. So you got the number. Nikisha thinks of a number. So what number she is thinking? She is thinking 21. So read carefully the statement and write down the equations. Once you write down the equation, it is easy to solve it. So when you are writing the equation, be carefully. 2 or 3 times read the statement, understand it, then write the equation. Okay children, now let's see the next problem. Next problem. Hasin thinks of a number if he takes away. Takes away means subtraction. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of that number, the result is 23. So Hasin thinks of a number. So Hasin, he thinks one number. If he takes away, if he subtract 7 from 5 by 2 of that number. 5 by 2 of that number means what number he was thinking. So we can take that variable as n. So 5 by 2 n. The result is 23. So 7 from 5 by 2 n means first we'll be writing 5 by 2, right? 5 by 2 of the number means the number which he thinks. So we are taking that number as n. So 5 by 2 n. Takes away means minus 7. So from 5 by 2 n, we are subtracting 7. And the result is 23 means equal to 23. One more time I'll read the question. Hasin thinks of a number. Hasin, he was thinking one number. If he takes away, so if he subtract 7 from 5 by 2 of that number. So 5 by 2 of that number means 5 by 2 n minus 7 is equal to 23. Now you got an equation. Now can you solve it? 5 by 2 n is equal to, when you bring this minus 7 to the right hand side, we will write as plus 7, right? So 23 plus 7. 5 by 2 n is equal to 23 plus 7. 5 by 2 n is equal to 23 plus 7, 30. Then n is equal to, bring this 5 by 2 to the right hand side, we will write in the reciprocal, right? So 30 into 2 by 5. You can cancel it. 1 5 is 5, 6 5s are 30, right? So 6 into 2, 12. N is equal to 12. Okay. So takes away means subtraction, right? From means you want to write the number which is after the from what number is given, you want to write that first. From that number you want to subtract 7. So when you are writing the equation, be careful. Don't write 7 minus 5 by 2. It is a wrong answer. 5 by 2 n minus 7 because he takes away 7 from 5 by 2. So from 5 by 2 n only you are subtracting 7. So 5 by 2 n minus 7 is equal to 23. Then you can solve the equation and find the value for n. Okay. Okay children, the remaining problems we will be seeing in the next section. Thank you. Have a nice day.